Sigma TV guys, tingnan natin kung meron laman na yung itlog. Check natin dito guys. 3 days to 4 days na to guys. 3 days to 4 days. Check natin. Yun guys, meron na. Meron na guys. Na. Ito niya guys meron na. Igot-igot na, check pa natin iba guys. Yun, meron na guys Ito niya guys. Guys, meron na guys 3 days to 4 days pa lang to guys. Meron na guys. Ayan. Huwag mo na i-stop. Okay guys. Proven yung incubator natin guys. Tested. Two, 4, 6, 8. 11 ang itlog. 11 pieces. Yung anak ng ano natin. Gold. Tapos pumpkin ang nanay. Boston.